We are DILG women. Of course, we finish our work on time.
Okay.
5:51.
We are DILG women. Of course, we have a huge mirror in the lobby.
Check mo nga yung eyelashes ko.
Okay naman.
We are DILG women. Of course, we benchmark other people's lives. Uy, alam niyo ba si Ana?
Bakit ano ba siya?
Ang ganda ng kanyang God initiative.
We're DILG women. Of course, we don't spend too much on food.
We are DILG women. Of course, we promote gender equality.
Attorney, may client ako.
Teka lang, nasa CR kasi ako eh.
Sabihin ako, pang lalaki po yan.
Pambabae din eh.
We are DILG women. Of course, we recognize the value and potential of women. Back to work.
We are DILG women. Of course, we influence social change.
We are DILG women. Of course, we are strong and independent.
We are DILG women. Of course, we are catalysts for change.
We are DILG women. Of course, leadership roles are not only for men. Meeting at 5.
Ang DILG Region 5 ay nakikilahok upang magbigay pugay sa ating mga kababaihan sa kanilang matinong pamumuno, kahusayan, at maaasahang paglilingkod. Mula sa tahanan ng mga oragon na kababaihan, Happy Women's Month!